We headed to go pick up the new ride that I bought a couple months back. Somebody trying to pull out in front of me. Sun is out, so y'all see me with the shades on. But we headed to go pick up the meat wagon, the 2005 Dodge Magnum I bought a couple videos back. Finally going to bring it to the house. I already got a few parts ordered for it. But we'll talk about that a little bit later on, man. Finna hit the road, man. Y'all stay tuned. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Alright, y'all, made it down here, man. We got this thing loaded up. Trying to get a little air in the tires, at least the back 2 tires. Got it loaded up. Got this little cheap little Amazon little pump. Trying to pump this thing up. Got about 8. Huh? How much? How much it was? Oh, that's a pump? Yeah. I don't know, like $30, $40. Got about 9 pounds of air in it right now. 10 pounds, hitting on 10 pounds. Look, it's gonna hold it. And then we got to try to get the air in the southern over here so we can try to get this thing on the road, man. If y'all haven't seen this thing, man, you have to go back to one of my previous videos. Yeah, a little quick look interior. This thing gonna be some pressure, man. This thing gonna be pressure. Got the stick shift pedals coming for it. I'm gonna try to see how I can get the stick shift pedals down there. But that video coming, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, man, so we got this tire getting out. This one over here just got 17 pounds. Sitting up pretty good. These rims gonna be up for sale, man. So y'all better be, if y'all want them, they gonna be up for sale. Cause I ain't gonna use it. This car ain't gonna be on that type of tire. So we gonna be strictly on performance. I'm gonna clean them up, see what they look like. See how clean they'll come. Which I think they still gonna have some bad spots. Alright, man, we are on the road with the meat wagon, headed to get this thing to the house. Got the back tires pumped up. Honestly surprised they held out because it's been about 10 years, man. Some tires been sitting on the ground. They've been a little bit more than 10 years, honestly. Let me see, about 2011, I think that car might have came down this way. So, I mean, you talking about 12, 13 years, if so, man. So, I know for sure it was 12, 13. That car was down here, so turn y'all around, get y'all a few shots of it, and we'll try to see whatever, and then we'll talk about, you know, the plans for it, or not like the plan. Well, I talked about that in another video. You gotta go back and look for that one, but we're gonna talk about what I'm finna start, like how I'm gonna start on this thing. I already told y'all the main plan is to try to see if I can find a dirt cheap 2.7 or rebuild this 2.7 for like next to nothing and get this thing at least moving on its own power. Like that's even, yeah, like I said, even if it's skipping like school children. All right, man, so y'all can see in front of my cousin right here, meat wagon is being pulled to the house on a dolly trailer. My cousin doing it for me, man. It's good to have people that look out for you, man. So it's up above, it's up in front of me. I know y'all can't really see it, but yeah, we're just taking it real slow. The tires ain't no good on it, man. So get it to the house, and like I said, man, we got plans. All right, man. As y'all can see, the meat wagon is sitting out here by the shop, man. Major shout out to my cousin, Carsley Dez, and his pop, man. They helped me got this thing to the house. So, first thing we're gonna do, and this is my first plan for this thing, man. Let me zoom y'all back just a little bit. First thing I wanna do to this thing is y'all can see all this dirt and crud all over it, all on the top, all on the back. The back is the worst. So we're gonna get some and spray this thing and get this thing cleaned up the best I can. I'm gonna try to find some more wheels for it. Really looking for some wide body Hellcat wheels. Wide body Hellcat, because as y'all know, this thing gonna get a wide body kit. And yeah, man, so that's the plan so far. Like I said, I got let me tell y'all this. I got some manual pedals coming for this thing. Manual pedals out of a Dodge Challenger, like a newer 2015 Dodge Challenger. I figured that was the perfect way to start. I did Google. Some people said they don't like directly bolt in, but excuse me. But they did say that they will go in there with a little bit of massage, a little bit of love. So I bought some that should be here like next week. So when I clean it up, we gonna test fit them and see what they look like, man. But Project Meat Wagon is on the way, man. Project Meat Wagon is on the way. Pro Charge, LS3 supposedly. We're gonna see what my pocket look like, but that's what I want in there, man. So y'all just stay tuned for that bill, man. Like I said, Meat Wagon is home. So let's go ahead and put a list together of what I need, man. We're gonna start ordering stuff, man.